Hello everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Is your liver feeling sluggish? Are you tired of feeling bloated and fatigued? Want to take control of your health and support your liver function? Discover the secrets to a healthy liver today. The liver is one of the most important organs in your body. It plays a crucial role in breaking down and removing toxins from our body, producing bile to help with digestion and regulating our metabolism. However, many people do not realize the importance of maintaining a healthy liver. In this video, we will explore the best tips on how to support healthy liver function. Number 1. Leafy greens. Incorporate a variety of leafy greens into your diet, such as kale, spinach, collard greens, and Swiss chard. Each type of leafy green contains different vitamins and minerals and antioxidants that can benefit the liver. Experiment with different cooking methods for leafy greens, such as steaming, sautéing, or adding them to smoothies. Cooking can help break down tough fibers and make the nutrients more bioavailable. Consider growing your own leafy greens at home. This can ensure that you're getting fresh, organic produce that hasn't been exposed to pesticides or other harmful chemicals. Number 2. Fiber. Insoluble fiber found in foods like whole wheat, nuts, and vegetables can help to promote regular bowel movements and remove waste products from the body. When increasing your fiber intake, do so gradually to avoid digestive discomfort. Start by adding a serving of high-fiber food to one meal per day, and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Number 3. Hydration. Aim to drink at least 8 cups, or 64 ounces of water per day to support healthy liver function. This can help to flush out toxins and waste products and keep your liver hydrated. Consider adding lemon or lime juice to your water, as these fruits contain citric acid, which can help to stimulate liver function. Avoid sugary drinks like soda and juice, as they contribute to liver damage over time. Stick to water, herbal tea, and unsweetened coffee instead. Number 4. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means it's best absorbed when consumed with healthy fats. Try incorporating vitamin E-rich foods like almonds, avocado, and olive oil into your diet. Vitamin E supplements are available, but it's best to get your nutrients from whole foods whenever possible. If you're taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, talk to your doctor before taking vitamin E supplements, as it can interact with these medications. Number 5. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that live in the gut and can help to support overall digestive health. Studies have shown that probiotics can also help to improve liver function in people with liver disease. Consider incorporating probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables into your diet. Probiotic supplements are also available, but it's important to choose a high-quality product that contains a variety of strains and has been tested for potency and purity. Number 6. Herbs and spices. Certain herbs and spices have been shown to have liver protective properties. Examples include turmeric, ginger, garlic, and milk thistle. Consider adding these herbs and spices to your meals or taking them in a supplement form. Just be sure to talk to your doctor before taking any new supplements, especially if you're taking medication or have a medical condition. Number 7. Exercise. Regular exercise can help to improve liver function by reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. If you're new to exercise, start slowly and gradually increase your intensity and duration over time. Number 8. Avoid alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is one of the leading causes of liver disease. If you have a history of alcohol abuse or have been diagnosed with liver disease, it's best to avoid alcohol altogether. Number 9. Manage stress. Chronic stress can contribute to liver damage over time. To support healthy liver function, it's important to manage your stress levels. Consider incorporating stress-reducing practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing into your daily routine. If you're experiencing chronic stress or anxiety, consider talking to a mental health professional for additional support. Number 10, avoid toxins. Toxins like pesticides, pollution, and industrial chemicals can contribute to liver damage over time. To support healthy liver function, it's important to minimize your exposure to these toxins. Choose organic produce whenever possible to avoid pesticides and avoid smoking or spending time in areas with high levels of pollution. If you work with chemicals or other toxic substances, be sure to follow proper safety protocols to minimize your exposure. Number 11, reduce intake of processed foods. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives that can contribute to liver damage over time. To support healthy liver function, it's important to reduce your intake of processed foods. Choose whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins instead. If you do eat processed foods, choose options that are low in added sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats. 12. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for overall health, including liver health. Studies have shown that chronic sleep deprivation can lead to liver damage over time. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. If you have trouble sleeping, consider practicing good sleep hygiene habits, like creating a bedtime routine and avoiding screens before bedtime. Number 13, avoid excessive use of medications. Many medications, including over-the-counter pain relievers like acetaminophen, can be harmful to the liver when taken in excessive amounts. Follow the recommended dosages on medication labels and talk to your doctor before taking any new medications or supplements. Number 14, limit intake of high-fat foods. High-fat foods, especially those high in saturated and trans fat, can contribute to liver damage over time. Choose lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and plant-based options like beans and lentils. Avoid processed meats and high-fat dairy products. If you do eat high-fat foods, do so in moderation and choose healthy fats like those found in nuts, seeds, and avocado. Number 15, maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can contribute to liver damage over time. To support healthy liver function, it's important to maintain a healthy weight. Aim for a body mass index between 18.5 and 24.9. If you're overweight or obese, talk to your doctor about developing a weight loss plan that's right for you. Number 16, quit smoking. Smoking is harmful to the liver and can contribute to liver damage over time. If you smoke, consider quitting. Talk to your doctor about smoking cessation programs or resources that can help. Number 17, monitor your blood sugar. High blood sugar levels can contribute to liver damage over time. To support healthy liver function, it's important to monitor your blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or are at risk of developing diabetes, work with your doctor to develop a blood sugar management plan that's right for you. Number 18, avoid exposure to hepatitis B and C. Hepatitis B and C are viral infections and can cause liver damage over time. To support healthy liver function, it's important to avoid exposure to these viruses. Practice safe sex, avoid sharing needles or other injection equipment, and get vaccinated against hepatitis B if you're at risk. Number 19, consider liver cleanses. While there are little scientific evidence to support the effectiveness of liver cleanses, some people find them helpful for supporting healthy liver function. Talk to your doctor before trying a liver cleanse, and be cautious of any products or programs that make unsustained claims. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier you. Remember, taking care of your liver is essential for overall wellness. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to support a healthy liver function, and always remember to prioritize self-care and make your health a top priority. Goodbye for now.